there's a reason you're watching this. You didn't stumble here by accident, you were pulled here by something inside you. Something ancient, something strong, something that refuses to die quietly. This is OLP 365, not a YouTube channel, not a trend, a system, a way of life for men who are done being weak, done being soft, done being told who they are. We don't talk theory here, we execute. We rebuild men from the ground up using the 12 paths of the compass: health, finance, power, purpose, every part of your life, rebuilt with structure, system, and strength. We already chose the first 100. They are called the centurions, the men who go first, who stand on the front lines while the rest of the world scrolls. Now we're building the next wave, the Legionnaires, the 1,000 who will carry the flame. And here's the truth: no scrolls allowed, no passive watchers, no victims, no keyboard warriors. This is for men who want to lead, who are tired of being invisible, tired of failing in silence, tired of pretending they're okay. You want in? Then here's what you do. Start your journal, write the truth you've been avoiding. Watch the videos, not for hype, for structure. Use your notebook and your planner. No more scattered minds, no more lost years. Pick your path. There are 12. Choose one, walk it. Drop fight on in the comments. That's your first step into the brotherhood. Most men will scroll past this. They'll go back to mediocrity, failure, and comfort. And they'll never know what they could have been. But you, if you're still watching, you're already different. The centurions are watching you. The compass is waiting for you. The system is built. The fire is lit. Now it's your move. Join the Legion. Subscribe to OLP 365. Walk the path. Fight on.